I don't know if you saw this one, Will. This is it's called Little Island. It's over there in Manhattan, and it just opened up to the public. This is a huge project, $260 million park, and it's built on top of the river, actually. And it's quite it's a feat of engineering the way they have these concrete tulip-like structures supporting this man-made island with a couple of different entrances, all kinds of different heights to it to give it the feeling of being a little more rich, a little more interesting as you go up the elevation and through the paths. I just became interested in this. I saw the headline and then I ended up watching an interview with Barry Diller. He's like a billionaire type who actually funded the thing along with his wife and just basically donated it. And also donated the money. It took 5 years to build. Also donated the money for maintenance for it for the next 10 years because it's going to cost the city money to run it. But it's a kind of cool little social space, natural feeling social space with some man-made artistic components in it. So it's an interesting mesh to it, but definitely something I would check out if I happen to be in Manhattan sometime soon. I don't know when the next time's going to be. So it's not huge compared to some of the parks that are over there. I think it is a couple of acres, 2.4 acres. They have to limit the number of people that can visit at any one given time, at least for the time being. I don't know what it is. It's like around, I don't even think it's actually 1,000. I think it's maybe like a few hundred, maybe like 600-700 people. I'm going to get that wrong. Oh, yeah. Initially, they'll be capping attendance of the island to about 800 people. I think that's where they're at right now. They're doing timed entry for noon until 8 p.m. every day to keep everybody safe and to not have overcrowding. I don't know if that's still a COVID thing or they can have more people later. They also built in a little amphitheater over there. They can have live events.
Yeah.
Actually have tickets and live performances, and the backdrop is just the water, which is pretty cool. So I don't know. What do you think about this island?
Couple food stalls here too. I think it's really cool. They've managed to use the space like creatively. Like there's under passages, there's a little bit of grass and green and the amphitheater, nice views off to the corners there.
You would visit a place like this. This was in Toronto. You go check that out, no?
Oh yeah, for sure.
Yeah, you go check that
Be a
out.
good date night or something.
I do need to let you know there are a couple of restrictions.
Uh-oh.
You're not going to be able to bring your dog over there.
No?
It's a dog-free zone. It's also a bike-free zone. So you just got to bring your person. Just bring yourself.
I see.
And I suppose that has something to do with the size constraints and just whatever the vibe they're going for.
Well, all right.
Well, relax, man. You
No, it's cool.
can go check it out anyway.
I'll check it out begrudgingly.
No dogs allowed. I mean, there's a lot of places no dogs allowed, though.
That's true.
Yeah.
Look at that. The little... Is that real wood?
Oh, certainly.
Yeah.
Absolutely, man. They put a lot of effort and energy. This is a cool little thing.
Yeah.